Welcome to part 2 of this video, which shows you how to manually add new research output material to your research profile in Discovery. We have just finished adding the journal publication date information into the template. We can now go on to add some keywords if required. As you type, a suggested list of keywords appears, which you can select or ignore as required. The journal title information is linked to a database called Romeo, which indicates if the full text of the output can be archived. In this case, we are allowed to deposit a preprint, i.e. a pre-refereed copy of the paper. We can browse our computer for the location of the file, change the file title if we wish, indicate the version of the document, determine how publicly visible the document should be, and indicate the type of material. We can also indicate if the document is to be embargoed for any period of time. And there is also space to enter any required rights statement. The next section allows you to add a DOI or URL to provide a link to the published article on the internet. Don't worry if you don't have this information. Library and Learning Centre staff can add this during the final editing and validation process. If you wish to link the research output to an event, such as a conference presentation, this can be done in this next section. As before, you can select from the suggested events which appear as you type. Or you can create a new one. At this stage of Discovery's development, you should skip over the section on relations. The intention is to populate this section of Discovery with data in due course. You can now choose how visible you wish to make the whole record. Normally, you should choose the default public no restriction option. If you're unable to complete the record entry in one sitting, you can choose the Entry in Progress status and click Save. You can then return to complete the entry at a later date. If, however, you have completed your entry, set the status at For Validation and click Save. The record will then be sent to Discovery staff within the Library and Learning Centre for checking. Once that process is completed, the record will be released and added to your research profile, and you will also receive an email notifying you that this has been done.